Hello, this is Kathy from kmbrick.com, and today I'm going to show a client how to take their old PowerPoint deck and put it into the new company template. The first thing that you want to do is you want to open up both the presentation or the deck that you want to put into the new template and the actual template. So you're going to have two windows open. As you can see down here at the bottom, we have the actual presentation and then the template. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and go to the actual presentation first. On the bottom right of the actual PowerPoint window, you have normal, slide sorter, and slideshow. We want to click on slide sorter. So go ahead and click that button, which brings you to all of your actual slides. Let that go ahead and load, and it's all loaded. So there's two ways that you can actually copy this. You can right click on a blank area of the screen. Oh, actually, no, you can't. We're going to scratch that. We're just going to go ahead and use our keyboard. So what you want to do is on your keyboard, you want to hold your control key and then you're going to hit your A key. And you're going to hold them in a sense simultaneously. So control first, then A while holding control, and then let them both go. And then to copy, you're going to go ahead and hold the control key again and hit the C button. And now you've copied everything. Now we're going to go ahead and move over to the template. So once you're in the template, again, you're going to go over to the slide sorter. So we're going to click on the bottom here, and we're going to click on slide sorter. You have two ways of selecting all of these. You can just click your mouse and drag across to select them all, and then just hit the delete button. Or you can again hold the control key, hit A, and then just go ahead and hit the delete button. And now all you have to do is hold your control key again and hit the V button, which is V as in Victor. So go ahead and hit that. They all get uploaded, as you can see, and they're all slowly getting converted. Okay, and you're going to actually have to go through now in each slide. So double click on the first one, and you're going to have to make sure that they actually migrated correctly. So just go through, each one. As you can see, there's something here still hanging on, so you're going to click. It's actually the image that was from the previous presentation, and delete. And you're probably going to have to do that with all of them because I'm quite sure that they have all migrated over. And then you're going to have to do little things like just fixing your layout. So I'll, let you go ahead and work on that on your own. Sometimes you can just go ahead and click and drag and highlight the whole thing and then just bring everything down a little bit. But at other times you're actually going to have to go in and really fix things like right here. This needs to be brought down quite a bit. So I would actually select this area and just drag it down a little so that it's not bumping into that. And you're just going to do that for each slide. So again, this obviously doesn't belong here, so we're going to go ahead and hit delete. And the way that you know that it doesn't belong is when you're trying to click on the actual image, you can't because it's it's embedded in the template. So, again, fix these little areas and just keep going through your entire presentation just to make sure that the template actually did follow through on all of the slides. And that's pretty much all you need to do. If you have any other questions, go ahead and post them on the wall or post them at kmburk.com. That's kmburck.com. And you can go ahead and post questions or comments on the blog post in the comment section. Alrighty, thank you, and I hope this has helped, and you have a great day. Thanks. Bye.